Hello, this is Karen Spar, Executive Vice President of the Southport Oak Island Area Chamber of Commerce, and today we had the pleasure of celebrating the 40th anniversary of Mansfield Sales and Service here on Oak Island. 40 years, Matt.
Yes.
You're not old enough
No.
to be 40.
No,
years
definitely
old.
not. Started by my grandpa for sure, but we're super happy to continue the business and keep serving our customers right here on Oak Island.
So Mansfield Sales and Service, again, it's been around for 40 years here on Oak Island. Tell us a little bit about what you do.
We're here for your emergencies. Not having AC in the summer is a very big problem, so that's what we're here for. When your tenants are here on vacation and the AC goes out on them, whether it's during the day or at night, you call us and we're here to help. We're here to take care of it and get you back up and running.
So I know you can actually hire you before it goes bad, right?
Right, yeah. It's a great idea to have a maintenance contract with us where we come out and service the systems twice a year. We get a lot of discounts for any materials and parts that's needed. It's a great way to kind of have a little preventative maintenance on your system. Your best chance to keep your system from breaking down in the middle of the summer when you need it the most.
And I know you just opened up the Brunswick Supply House, so you've got kind of a nice edge there where...
Right, yeah, that's kind of going to help Mansfield big time. We're stocking all of our own parts here with the supply house. That way, the intentions are to get people up and running as fast as possible. So having stock parts right here on our shelves is going to give us a really good chance to get people up and going in the same day if possible, or the next day.
Well, thank you, Matt. Again, where do they get up with you if they want information about Mansfield Sales and Service?
Well, you can check out our website, msshvac.com. We're also on Facebook. And always just give us a call at 910-278-9669.
Thank you, Matt.
Thank you.